Hello guys, this is Abhishek Manjani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video, I discussed about how you can prepare for your upcoming interviews in just 2 months from scratch. So most of us are busy in our internships and we don't have enough time for preparing for the entire 2 months. So we just have weekends in which we can do some sort of constructive preparation for the placements. So in order to maximize the preparation in this strict time constraint, I have prepared a timeline which one can follow in order to prepare for the upcoming interviews. So before we begin with this video, I will advise you to visit my previous video so that you have the prerequisites done before this video. When I was interning with Amazon, I was not able to make the best use of the time that was available for the preparation of placement. Therefore, I think that if we prepare a proper timeline and adhere to this, we can actually prepare well for our placements and do better. So, before we begin with the video, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all the tech related content. So now, let's begin with the video. So whenever you are preparing with any kind of schedule, the first thing is to note what needs to be done. So there are 4 important things that are equally important for the preparation of internships or placements. These are data structure algorithms, interview experiences, practicing for the coding rounds, and important subject preparation. So all the 4 are equally important. So what mistake I made during my internship was I completely focused on data structure preparation and I was able to solve quite a lot of problems, but I was not prepared with the important subject preparation, because of which I was rejected in multiple interviews. So now let's analyze the time that is available for us. So I was preparing this video on 6th of June. So I have prepared a rough schedule or rough calculation of the time that is available. So I am assuming that the internship will end around 13th of July and the on-campus placement process starts around 25th of July. So according to my analysis, we have 25 weekdays, 10 weekends and 12 days after the internships for the preparation. So let's begin with how to analyze and how to make use of the time that is available with us. So the first thing is the coding round. So as I have mentioned the importance of coding rounds in my previous video, so coding round plays a very important role when you are preparing. So let's begin with the preparation with the coding round itself. So what we must try to do is we must try to give at least one coding round on weekdays as well as after the internship ends in the evening. So as I mentioned in my previous video, the best resource for giving the coding rounds and preparing for the same is LeetCode. So LeetCode offers 1.5 hour duration coding rounds. Each coding round comprises of 4 questions. So if you are able to do this for 25 weekdays and 12 days after the internship, then you will be able to solve roughly around 150 problems, which is quite a good number. So I understand that doing one coding round daily is quite difficult, but I will suggest you to at least give it a try, because LeetCode coding rounds are quite indulging. The questions are quite good and you will certainly like the level of difficulty that the LeetCode offers. People are able to complete the problems during the contest in just 11 minutes. So seeing this competition will certainly motivate you to participate in LeetCode coding rounds. So the next thing is data structures and algorithm preparation. So what I would like to suggest is you must try to do 3 easy, 6 medium and 6 hard questions on each and every weekend and 4 days after the internship ends. So total we have 9 days for preparation of data structures and algorithms, and roughly we will be able to solve around 135 questions in this duration. So the resource that I would be recommending you for this is LeetCode. So LeetCode offers this collection of questions. So this is the hard collection of top interview questions. So there is easy collection, medium collection and hard collection which you can refer to. So each and every collection comprises of around 50 to 70 questions which you can practice. So try to solve the questions from this, because this comprises of all the standard questions that you can practice and that are actually asked in the interviews. So you will find standard questions like minimum stack, questions on reversing of a linked list, topological sort, alien dictionary and all types of standard questions in this collection. So I have provided all the links in the description section below, so you can find the links over there. So the next thing is the interview experiences. So what I would suggest you to do is try to practice as many interview experiences as possible for 5 weekends that were left and 3 days after the internship ends. So total we have 8 days. So you can target one company that you dream to be in and practice the interview archives for that company. You must try to do as many interview archives as possible because the companies usually repeat the questions from their interview archives. The next important thing is the subject preparation. Most of the people actually neglect this part and because of which they actually fail to crack the interviews. So what I will suggest is you have 5 days left after the internship. So you must try to target one subject in one day. So as I mentioned in my previous video, there are 5 important subjects. So you will be able to prepare for each and every subject in 5 days. So this is a rough schedule that one can follow in order to maximize the preparation during the internships. I completely understand that this schedule is quite strict, but if you adhere to this schedule and if you try to practice according to this schedule, then certainly you would have a very good preparation before your placements. You would be able to solve around 250 plus problems and you will be prepared with all the important subjects. You will be prepared with a good resume. You would have a good internship to discuss about. So in total, the placement season would be great if you are able to follow this timeline. Let's summarize the entire video. So we had 25 weekdays, 10 weekends including Saturday and Sunday, and 12 post-internship days. So during the weekdays, I suggested you to do one coding contest daily. In the weekends, I suggested you to prepare DSA for 5 weekends and do the interview archives for the other 5 weekends. For the 12 post-internship days, what I suggest is do one coding round daily. Try to invest 4 days in DSA preparation, 3 days in studying of the interview archives of your dream companies, and 5 days for the subject preparation. The subject preparation comprises of subjects like operating system, database management system, computer networks, object-oriented programming, and resume preparation. So at the end of your internship, you would have completed solving 148 data structures and algorithm problem. You would have participated in 37 lead code contests. You would have prepared for interview archive of 8 dream companies, and you would have prepared with the 5 important subjects. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn. All the links used in this video are provided in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.